sometimes and I can't seem to find a light.
Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with Premium Lace Wigs once more. It's the same packaging as last time. So as I open the box, you guys see the excitement, right? We got a blonde curly wig, but before I get into that, let's see what else we got. So I have a pair of lashes. Super happy. I got this little bag here with, you know, hairpins, an elastic band, and 2 clips inside. I also got a wig cap, a rat tail comb, and like booklet branded Premium Lace Wig. You know, shows hair care and all those good stuff in there. So okay, so to the fun part, the wig. Alright guys, so right off the bat, you guys see that this is a 613 wig, right? So it's 100% Brazilian that we're working with today, and it's a kinky curly texture, so it's not like regular curly, no, it's kinky curly. So I definitely feel that coarser texture to it. It's tight curls, and it's a medium cap size that I'm working with. It's also a transparent lace. Not every day I get a 613 wig that comes with amazing lace. Like sometimes it's just normal lace, so for it to have transparent lace, that's good as well. It's 130% in density, so it's not super like full. It's not thin either, because you can see from the appearance it looked pretty decent, but it's 130% in density, and it's 16 inches long. So this is how it looks. I've always wanted to get a curly blonde wig. I've never gotten one. Am I getting shedding? Yes. As you can see, I got a couple strands, so there is shedding. It is processed here, so it's expected. It is lightly pre-plucked, and I'm going to go on the inside of the cap and use some of my like concealer stick to, you know, make it look more like scalp like, you know, camouflage, so it blends in well when I go ahead and install it. But it's looking good so far. Inside of the cap has a total of 4 combs. It has adjustable straps in the back, and it's a 13x4 lace front. Okay, I'm super happy to see how this looks when I install it, so let's get to it. I'll just use some of this and rub it on the lace, and then I'll spread it out with the brush.
Sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself.
Looking good, guys. I'm gonna be using my Got To Be spray for today's install. It's looking real good. I'm really excited to see, you know, how it's gonna look at the end when I get glam and stuff, because I've never worn a curly blonde hair, you know, so I love this. So I'm just gonna speed through this portion with apply my adhesive. You guys know the usual, right? So that's what I'm gonna do. Have my blow dry on cool air. So let's go.
And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. Now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I, just you and I. Only you can put the fire out. You can turn it all around. You can lift me off the ground, so we can fly again, so we can fly again. is for you to stay the night. But if you keep saying that you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long as you tell me that we ain't running out of time. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put my fire out.
So as usual, you're probably wondering, you know, why I never tone it and all of that. But I will do that for future installs. Today I just, you know, I like to show you when I get these 613 wigs, or in most of my wigs, I like to show you how they come initially, so you know exactly what you're going to purchase. So I'm just gonna do should I do a center part? So you see, I did that whole thing. So you see the root, the lace looks like, you know, my actual roots. It has that color once I part it, and that looks good. I'm wondering if I should do a side part or if I should do. This is so different for me to do a curly. I just can't wait till I get it wet and see how it looks. I'm here wondering if I should do a side part. Okay, so alright, so the parting doesn't go that deep on the side, like it really doesn't go. So this is how I would have to do it. Should I do a side part? I think I'm gonna do a center part because it has a deeper like portion to like, it's deeper in the middle, so I'm gonna just stick to the middle portion. Alright, this is truly kinky curly, guys. Alright, so before I go any further, I'm going to just get glammed and come back, but in the meantime, let me tie this down for like 10 minutes. I'll just tie down the hairline for 10 minutes. But so far it's looking good. It's looking really good.
To go out of my mind, and all I need right now is for you to stay the night. But if you keep saying that you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long as you tell me that we ain't running out of time. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I.
This is how the wig looks, guys. So as you know, it's processed and it's my very first curly, to be specific, curly texture 613 wig. All right, I've never been able to get a 613 hair texture this curly, and I did cut off the ends a little bit because, you know, it was a little bit thinner than I would like, so I did cut off like maybe an inch off the end. But this is how it's looking. It's so, okay, as I said, it's shedding, and because it's so processed, like it's a 613, I feel like to maintain a curly texture with such color, it's kind of difficult, and it explains why it's always so difficult to get a texture with a color like this. So I will say right off the bat, it is on the drier side, it is on the coarser side, and it does shed, and all of that is due to the process, the process that it had to undergo, you know. But all in all, this look still looks good. So if it's up to you, if you want to, like, I feel like a wig like this, you do it for a specific look, because it's different. It's not a common one, because this is my first, you guys know, I've reviewed and modeled so many wigs over the years, so many. I can't even count. I've lost count. So for this to be my first curly blonde, not that I was like searching high and low, but there are times that I really tried to get a curly blonde and I couldn't. So yeah, it explains why, you know. And I'm definitely still going to explore it. I'm going to tone it the next time I install it and style it differently and stuff, but it's definitely on the fun side. I've always said, you know, if you're gonna do a 613 wig or hair color, I feel like it should be a special occasion. It's not your everyday kind of look, at least not for me. But if you want it to be, hey, no problem, go ahead and do what you want to do. It's all up to you. It blended in really nicely. The lace, easy to work with. You guys know transparent lace is one of the laces that is definitely up there and easy to work with. So it was easy to install and it looks good. So yeah, that's it. Premium Lace Wigs came through with the look today. Shout out to them for that. And if you are interested in getting this wig for yourself, the link will be in the description box as usual, as well as the specifications. So if you want, you can go ahead and check that out as well. So be sure of that. And yeah, that's it. That is it for today's wig look. It's kind of to the point, you know. Yeah, that's it. So let me know your thoughts down below. If this was informative, go ahead and give it a thumb up and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Also check out my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. So until then, well, I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, bye.